All right, Abha. So, how's everything? How do you feel?
So I feel really happy. I never expected this actually.
Really? You did not expect this. Why?
Actually, from about June to November, it was spent traveling for quizzes here and there. I was going from Mumbai to Delhi over and over many times. So I just got 3 months to study for the board. So,
Oh, oh, all right. So, how much you got in science?
so 95.
I sense a bit of disappointment there. Why? 95 is
Yeah.
good, yeah.
I actually didn't know what went wrong there.
And what about maths?
Maths 100.
Wow, 100. Nice. Socials?
So socials 97.
Nice. So, boards is done, result is done. I mean, there was a long wait. So, apart from Power Prep Week, were you enrolled in any other Byju's course or anything else?
Yeah, I have been in Byjus since grade 6.
Since grade 6th, you were enrolled in Byju's live classes, the Byju's classes, what we call it, or the Byju the Learning app, BTLA?
So the live classes.
How was the experience from that?
It was awesome. And the Power Prep Week, I mean, I used to see you guys always on the videos as master tutors and getting to learn from you in person, that was really mind blowing.
So, when we were designing this Power Prep Week, we were a little skeptical that do you think 1 week was good enough or you felt it would have been longer?
1 week was good enough. It would have been better if we could have gotten something like question practice sessions, which was, I think, included in the second version. So
Yes.
I think it was good enough. Yeah.
So, what do you love about Byju's? Like, so yeah, it's been a long time since you have been enrolled, no?
So the best thing is textbooks may the way a concept is written, it sometimes gets difficult to visualize that. Byju's had animations and videos, even for the smallest of concepts in maths and in science, of course. So it made it really easier and really interactive. And sometimes it also linked us to real life concepts around us. So it made it a lot more relatable and interesting to learn.
Nice. Any particular video or concept you felt like, oh, this was a nice way to learn it?
There were many such videos. Ashwin sir used to make videos really often on electricity, and they were really funny. Ashish sir once he had joked about something being related to a computer science class, so I really enjoyed that. And said, I have been meeting you on YouTube, so those were really cool as well.
So there are three parts now. One is the animated videos which we have on Byju's Learning app. Apart from that, there are features like practice, warm up, strides, objective tests, subjective tests. Did you use those for practice also?
Yes, sir, I did.
So once you get a good score, people kind of come to you and your juniors will come to you now and they will ask, Abhadi, what's your secret? How did you study? So what is your secret? What would you tell them?
I would say ki go with NCRT. Don't buy hundreds of books. I did that mistake. I got like 3, 4 books for each subject, and honestly, I just could not complete even one. And in the end, boards may it just comes from NCRT and exemplars. So if you are done with these books, you're more than prepared. Really.
That's really insightful. See, it's a 3-step process. No, NCRT, exemplar, then PYQs. That's good enough. I think every junior kind of learns from their own mistakes. So that's kind of goes. So from 6th, you are there, no? How's your parents' response to the way you have been in touch with Byju's? Are they satisfied with the services, or you think there's scope for improvement?
I'm satisfied, I guess. Even I'm satisfied because back then in sixth, I was an average, being in 60s and 70s. And gradually around ninth, it was in 90s, and now it's somewhat in 95s. Yeah.
60, 70s, and 6. No way. That's a huge jump here. I mean, 6th, 7th May, I have seen kids going with 90s, and by the time the syllabus increases and everything comes up, they start going down 70s. That happens, but this is like another story. But
Actually, the long period, it really helped. Yeah.
And any particular teacher from Byju's classes you feel have inspired you or helped you a lot?
All teachers were really awesome for me. Khushbu ma'am, she used to take those 12-hour sessions, and I really don't know how she could manage them. Really hats off to her. And Ashwin sir was a wonderful teacher. The way he explained concepts, those were fine. Saurabh sir, I remember I asked you the silliest of doubts, and you went way beyond that. You explained me 2, 3 times. I still did not understand you, and you still explained me over and over. So I really loved that.
But and you like to animate also. I saw in the Power Prep group.
Yeah.
That was really nice. I love the way you explained that question, because that question I saw a lot of students getting confused upon up, down, north, south. That animation was brilliant, yeah. How did you learn
I
that?
actually love coding, so I just thought I just keep messing around with things till I get them right. I mean,
Nice. That's the actual way of learning things. I'm really impressed here. Very good. Now, what's next for you? Like, 10th is done. What's your next target? What's your next goal?
so next I'm trying for NEET because I want to be a neurosurgeon. So for that, I'm again with Akash Byjus.
Oh, you have enrolled.
Yeah.
So that's very good. So you have a small gift. That small gift, it's not much, but yeah, it's a small gesture so that you can explore the world of 11th and 12th on your own. This is a free access to Akash Byju's app of grade 11th. Now,
Thank you, sir.
now, what you have to do is you have to download the Akash Byju's app from the Play Store, and you sign in using the same number which you have in the Power Prep. You log in and then select PCMB grade 11th. We were not sure which student would love to go for which stream. That's why we kept it open for both math and bio. Feel free to just go through all the videos. They are unlocked, and for 2 months, get a good grasp of what kind of concepts have changed. Like, you have studied motion, how it has changed. You have studied light, how it has changed. So yeah, feel free to explore and get an experience. So how will you use it?
I'll first look out for differentiation and integration क्योंकि वो दिमाग के ऊपर से चला गया.
uh, yeah. So 11th, 12th May, 11th beginning chapter around till rotation, you will see Apur Mathur sir is a brilliant teacher, and differentiation integration you will see over there. He has taught it very nicely. So yeah, just have a look, understand those things, and I think it will help. The animation will help over there, because this is something which kind of becomes a shortcoming sometimes. Nice, yeah, Abha. It was very nice, and all the best.
Thank you, sir.
Pretty sure you will achieve everything. Just stay on the target. Don't get lost in between. Thank you for joining, and yes, we'll see each other again. Mostly whenever we come to Bhubaneswar.
Sure, sir. I'd love that.
Okay. All right, Abha. Thank you so much, and all the best for the future. Do good. Stay healthy. Stay happy.
Thank you, sir. It was really great meeting you.
Same to you, Bacha. Same to you. Take care. Anna. Bye bye.
Thank you, sir.